Here comes Colton in his new project. And it's ugly. So what is this?
This is a Miata.
Well, yeah. What happened to it?
2006 NC Miata. Somebody hit something with it pretty hard, upwards somehow.
And what
didn't hit the hood.
What is your plan for it?
It's going in the air.
It's going in the air?
Yeah, lifted.
It's going to be lifted.
Oh yeah. I don't know how tall yet, but RX-8 strut assemblies and bigger tires.
Well, I think first order business is sledgehammering.
Yeah, we gotta hit this really hard, and then hit that really hard.
Just hit all of it really hard.
Kind of everything just go down a little bit. Yeah.
Now that the bumper's off, this is not how it's supposed to be. How's it going in here?
How does this shit work? There's a big clip, but I don't know how to do it.
The headlights, not ideal.
No way.
What's no way?
The seatbelt. Why?
I have way sharper knives.
But this one looked perfect for it. It was the right shape.
It's hooky.
Exactly. He gets it.
Okay. I'm gonna take the seat out anyway.
Well, yeah, but I can cut things.
All right.
The dust. Oh, it smells so bad.
There's rat turds all over. So.
That's nice.
Oh, Goody's back there too.
Hey.
Oh. Yeah.
There's another. There's another map.
There's my mouth. There was three things of Marlboro cigarettes.
Actually, put this in?
What the fuck is that?
This is not factory.
No.
For wind resistance.
Oh.
Success.
Let's put it under there.
You go with the car.
I think I'm stupid, bro.
Yeah.
I don't understand. Sometimes I gotta flip the seat around.
What are you trying to do?
Bro, straighten it out. I don't know how it's not straight right now. It's straight coming out here, and it twists. Do I have to twist it again? Oh my god.
Because it turns when you put it over yourself.
You can't be serious. I fixed it.
Mechanic.
Wow.
That was broken, sorry.
You just made the decision for me.
I'm just literally trying to fix the seatbelt.
So I want a sledgehammer?
Yes. I do gotta fix the seatbelt, I'm gonna fix the car. Where am I hitting?
Right here.
I've been working on the road.
Just got the wrong way.
Let me fix that.
Honestly, I think it's looking better. Maybe.
Don't think so.
We should get rid of this so I can hit here. I see you just tie it to a tree and back up.
Yeah.
Really?
I love that.
It'll pull it out.
This used to be touching. There used to be no gap here. It almost is factory now.
10 grand, I know what I have.
Time to back it away from a tree. It's good. Professionals out here.
Faster.
Faster.
Watching. Do it again. You killed it.
More speed. Faster. Faster.
Keep going.
Speed all the way back. Let off the clutch. Oh. Okay, you were right to be worried about the strap. Beautiful.
Or is it just beating the hell out of that?
I think it's just beating this, to be honest.
Okay, I'm getting
To
hit.
be honest,
really
I think
hard.
that tree actually might have made a difference, because this side is much lower than this side.
I think that was just Sam hitting the sledgehammer really hard over there.
You got the new suspension in there now.
Yeah, it's from an RX-8.
So it's been a few weeks. You went to Japan and back.
I did.
Yeah. Now what are you doing now?
I'm rolling the fenders.
These.
As good as I can get them.
Where are these big wheels from?
Those are from a Crown Victoria.
A lifted Crown Victoria, right?
I think so, yeah.
225 60 R16. So these are
free.
They were free, yeah.
Everywhere.
Professional clearancing?
Oh yeah. A little more.
So it's been about a year since we last touched this thing. We're just getting around to doing a bumper cut. In this time, Takomato has released a lift kit for these things, so we're no longer on the cutting edge of technology.
We're pioneers.
We were pioneers. We've done a very professional masking tape job. We're gonna make this less. This bumper really doesn't like to take the right shape, probably due to how the car is not in the right shape anymore.
Just want it tight, just a little bit tight.
Torqued. Bumper's looking professional. Fenders are slightly trimmed. Seats going back in. We're gonna take it for a drive.
Put some good snacks in there.
Ooh. Rubs a little bit.
Yeah, it rubs a little bit in the rear, I think.
Runs good though. The alignment's not
It
great.
runs like a top. It's only got 200,000 on it.
Oh, almost exactly.
Yeah. brake works way too good. That's fun, dude.
This thing's a rig. So you can lift an NC with RX-8 suspension and tiny little lift blocks in the rear.
Yeah.
Ride's a little rough, but gets the job done.
Rubs.
Rubs a lot. Gonna have to address that. I'm sure the Pacamato kit's probably better, but
Yeah.
this was sooner.